Good morning, children. This is Shubhal speaking. Children, we have been dealing with the chapter 14 that's about factorization. So far, we have completed till exercise 14.2. And here in this video, we are going to have a discussion on some very important questions of this chapter, which is being started from exercise 14.3. Exercise 14.3, question number 1. So I'm starting from question number 1 of numerical 1. Question is about 28x to the power 4 divided by 56x. Okay. So now how we can calculate this number. So 28x to the power 4 divided by 56x, as we can see, this a division of expression is containing some variables as well as some numerical coefficients. So our part of job is to expand this number in its real form as it is supposed to be. So 28x to the power, I'll write in this form first, 28x to the power 4 divided by 56x. Now the thing which can be expanded in this form, 28 into x into x into x into x divided by 56 into x. Now let's see how to calculate this number. X and x will be reduced. 28 2s are 56. No more cancellation can be done. So here is nothing means what? 1. So 1 has got no value. If you consider or don't consider, it doesn't make any changes. In the place of numerator, I have got x into x into x, means it's x to the power 3. As we all know that if the moment we are expanding in normal form, the exponents comes in a form of multiplication. The exponential number comes in multiplication. So here x is thrice. This is why I'm writing x to the power 3 divided by 2. Divided by 2. So x to the power 3 by 2 is the answer, right? The next one is about minus 36. Next one is minus 36y cube. Number 2 is about minus 36y cube divided by 9y square. So let's see, children, how to do this. Minus 36 y cube should be written in form of y into y into y divided by 9y square, means 9 into y into y. So just simply by cancellations we can get the answer. Y and y will be reduced, y and y will be reduced or by cancelled. 4 9s are 36, but here is a minus sign in front of 36. This is why it would be minus 4, because whenever we cancel, the number contains a minus sign or negative sign. The answer which we get after cancellation also contain the minus sign. So it's supposed to be minus 4, and here it's y, so answer is minus 4y. Most of the children will make mistake to write the answer of this question. They would write 4y, but answer would be minus 4y, because a minus sign will also exist. So in the next question is absolutely similar, so I want to try something different than this. I want to explain question number 5. That's about 12a to the power 8 b to the power 8 divided by minus 6 a to the power 6 b to the power 4. See, children, how can we do this? We can simply write 12 into a 8 times a into a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. B can be written 8 times 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 divided by minus 6 into a 6 times 1 2 3 4 5 6 and b 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All this pair of B are cancelled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And minus 6 and 12 will be cancelled. Answer will be here will be minus 2. So my final answer, I can write minus 2. And the top, which in the place of numerator, I have got 2a, means a square, divided by, in down there is nothing, means we can write assign 1. So answer is minus 2a square. This is how we can deal with this kind of numbers. Children, if I explain the next number 2, which is a very interesting question, which can be solved in using the similar process, the likewise we can solve number B. It's 5x square minus 6x, divide it by 3x. Now you might be thinking, sir, can we cancel this x with 6x? No, we can't, because there is an operation in between. It's a minus sign, so we can't perform such process. So the thing can be done from 5x square and 6x, 1x can be taken common. We are taking away 1x common, so from 5x square 1x is out, taken away, so only 5x will be left, minus from 6x 1x is taken away, a number only 6 will be left, and down I have got 3x. So this x and this x can be cancelled right now because it's out of it, and there is a multiplication. During multiplication we can cancel, but while it's under plus or minus operations we cannot cancel these numbers. So my final answer is 5x minus 6 by 3. This is how we can deal with this kind of questions. I believe my explanation is clear. This is how we need to solve it. Please do try these things and submit your work in the Google Classroom positively. And if you face any doubts or confusions, feel free to speak in the next class. Till then, thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care. Have a nice day.